Yes. So, yes, all the people has come. So very happy afternoon, everyone. You people are very eager to waiting our class, and I also very eager to attend this class. Yeah. So as usual, we have learned something in last session. That is international place value system. And what is the difference between what is the when we compare the Indian system and international system? What are the differences we find? Let us see in this session, and also expanded form of large numbers. How to extend, how to write expanded form of large numbers. In this session, we are going to be learning all these things. Yes. Yeah. Grade 5 Mathematics, Chapter 2, Session 5, Large Numbers. So let's start our today's topic. So did you know Mangalyaan was India's first interplanetary mission to planet Mars? The distance between Earth and Mars, the distance between Earth and Mars is approximately, who's this? Virat. What happened to you, Virat? The distance between Earth and Mars is approximately 162.02 million kilometers. Rishikesh, what happened to them? I don't know. Don't write anything on the board itself. This is the last one for everyone. This is last warning to all. Don't write anything on the screen, please. How much is 162.02 million in Indian number system? We said that here the distance has given 162.02 million. Yes. When we convert this into in our Indian system, how much it is in our Indian system? So it is 16 crore 20 lakh 20,000. Deepak. So don't do like that, I said, but this time I'm not going to be tolerant this type of mistakes, please. So in the 162.02 million in Indian international system, when we converted into in our system, it is 16 crores 20 lakhs 20,000. Right? So this is about large numbers. Next, Indian number system and international number system is here. Yes, the first three digits from the right from the ones period. So where I will try to show you this. What, Deepak, what do you want? You have raised your hands. Huh? What happened? So Indian number system, and the first three digit from the right from the ones period. Ones. Here, the first three digits. First three digits means this is ones, tens, hundreds. The first three digits makes ones period. I already told you that. Next, the next two digits from the right from the thousands period form the thousands period. Next two digits after ones period, it is already declared that it is ones period. Then what about after ones period next two digits? This makes thousands. Yes. What is the next two digits form? The right from the lakhs period. Next two digits from the right form the lakhs. These are the lakhs. Lakh. The next two digits from the right form the crores period. Yes. Here we have crores also. Crores and 10 crores. See, this is all about our number system. This is Indian number system. Okay, here when we comes to that international number system, the first three digits from the right form the ones period. Okay, in international system also, it is I just trying to write. I just write this in below. Okay, you can see here. This is an international system. First three digits. One in our system and international system is same. And what about the next? The next three digits from the right form the thousands period. After ones period in our number system, that is two digits, but here it divides into each three places, three digits form a thousands period. This is thousand. Yes. Next, the next three digits from the right form the millions period. Yes, after thousands period, next three, one, two, three. These three are makes millions. So then after next three, after billions, that is billion. It is not here. Okay. If you know, then no problem at all by knowing this. By knowing about the billions, there is no problem at all. It is with you. Yes, this is about all in our system and Indian, our system and the international system. So in our system, there are only first period has three digits. All the periods there are two digits. In international system, okay, first period has two digits and second period also three digits, and third period and fourth period, every period there are three digits in international system. Yeah, every period has a three digits in international system. Okay, so here then you see when you comes to the lakhs place in our number system. In Indian system, it is a that is lakhs, but here it is thousand. Just a minute. In international system, it is thousand. This is thousand. This is 10,000, and this is 100,000. In our system, in Indian system, 1 lakh is equals to in international system is 100,000. Here we can see that 1 lakh 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. 1 lakh equals to 100,000. 1 lakh and equals 100,000 in the international system. Okay, here it is million, 10 million as 100 million. Okay, 1 million, 1 million. Tell me, 1 million I will tell you then. After I will ask you. 1 million is equals to how many lakhs in our number system? That is 10 lakhs. Yeah, 2 millions, 20 lakhs. 3 millions, 30 lakhs. This is about all our between the differences between Indian system and international system when we compare, right? Yes, okay. And then we go for next. See, this is a clear cut information to get the differences between international system and Indian system. From the above number, we can read it as 53 crores when we divide it into Indian system. 53 crores, 42 lakhs, 86,917, right? Yeah, 53 crores. When it comes into the international system, it is 534 millions. 534 millions 286,970. Yeah, in the international system, the same number can be read as 534 millions 286,970. It can be written as like this. So compare and tell which is greater in these two numbers. To know about that, you just divide it into the periods. You can easily to say periods according to Indian system use commas here. To know about that, if you know well, use commas. Here one comma, after two digits one comma, it is one comma. So you see, use your precise. Yes. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits in the number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So obviously we could know that the number which has more digits is a greater number. The number which has more digits, we consider it as a greater number. So we finally concluded that this is the number is greater. Yeah, this is the smaller. So simple thing. So this is a greater than, right? So by using the places, if you know the number of digits in the number, you can easily to say and compare the numbers easily. This is what we have learned about the number system, right? So let us have some examples. Compare the following using symbols less than and greater than or is equal to. So here how many digits? 1, 2, 3. Yes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Here it is 87 millions. Okay. First of all, 87 millions we have to know that. How it will be in the figure form. If you know, then only you can able to uh, compare these two numbers. Okay, I am writing 87 millions. 87 millions. Okay, that's it. Ones period, thousands period, and then millions period. These are the three places, three periods in our international number system. Is given 87 million. So just write 87 and there is no thousands, we can use three digits and ones. This is all about 87,000 millions. Okay, now let us compare these two numbers. Yeah, how many digits are there in the number? 7 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Yes. So you can easily to say this is less than, the first number is less than second number. That means when it is right, 54 lakhs 76,892 is less than 87 millions. When it is gets easy to us, if you know how to write the numbers in both systems, you can easily to compare the numbers without a confusion. Next here, there are again 80 digits in the first number, and here 3, 5, 7, 8. Here also 8. Okay. 65. 3 digits in each period, you know, that means it is international system. 65 millions 472,153. It is 6 crores 54 lakhs 72,153. Yes, come on. If you write commas in international Indian system to this number, if it is like this, I think so. You see once. What happened to you, girl? Yes. Same line. So both are equal. This is about the comparison. Okay. Next we go for the next one. Quick check, write the numbers and Indian and international number system respectively and compare them. Write their respective number names too. You just right now take a screenshot of this paper screen and write the two numbers in Indian and international both systems, and write the number names too. Okay. Compare the following numbers using the suitable symbol. Just now we have discussed, and you also take a screenshot of this and you can do as a homework. Take a one screenshot. Yes, check our responses is not good. Let us practice. Okay, whatever the topic you learned today, you just explain to your parents. What are the topics? The summarize of our topics in the session is, what is that? Place value systems, Indian place value system and international place value system. And comparison of numbers, and write the number names by using both systems. Note down the last eight digits of other number of all family members and put commas as per Indian number system and international number system. Okay, I will see how many of you do this. What will you do? You just ask your parents to get the other number, okay, and use commas according to Indian system and international system. You just try to read the number, and if it is possible, you can write the number name too. Practice. Which one is greater? Take one screenshot, please. Form four different 7-digit numbers using the digits. Ikkada digits unnai kada. By using these digits, you just form four different 7-digit numbers. Okay, the number should have 7 digits. That means I will try. Can I? See, by using these 2, 4, 0 and 9, we just form 7 digits. That means see, I will show you once. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. You can use it. I will take 2 in the 10 lakhs place. 0, 4, 9, 0. This is one number. I use only these 4 digits. I didn't use any. I'm not using any other than these digits which are given. So this is one number. At this time, I will 4 write 2, 9, 0, 2, 4. Yes. So this is about. So this is the way you just write. Yeah. Write the numbers by 7 digit numbers. 4. You are again to write for 2 more numbers. Then after you just use international number system and arrange in descending order. Just using the digits in the international number system and arrange in descending order. Do you have an idea about the descending order? Arrange the numbers from descending greatest to smallest. So descending, that means like this. This is about the descending, right? So you can use it in that way. What are the skills we developed here for computation, comprehension, and reasoning? So this is all about two resources for the next session. We'll ready with this. Thank you. And then I'm going to unmute everyone. Please tell your name first, and then ask your doubt if it is anything. Yes. Anyone of you, please raise your hands to ask me any questions. Okay, Bhuvan Chaudhary. Yes, unmute yourself and ask me your question, please. Unmute.
Sir, మీరు homework ఇస్తున్నారు కదా అది న్యూ నోట్బుక్ లో రాయాలా?
Yes, Nana. You just write in the new notebook, and I will ask you one fine day to come and get your correction. Right. Thank you, Nana.
Okay.
Any questions? Any question from you? Right. Deepika, ask yourself. I mean, mute yourself.
Sir.
Yes. Tell me.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు నోట్బుక్ లో పెన్ యూజ్ చేయాలా పెన్సిల్ సార్?
Yeah, it is better to use pen.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Nana. Deepika, you unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Ask me the question. Deepika, you just unmute yourself. Yeah, tell me, Nana. Deepika. Okay, thank you. She's not able. Satvika, Satvika, you raised your hands, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me, Nana, what is your question?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు హోంవర్క్ చెప్పారు కదా,
Yes.
అది వాట్సాప్ లో పంపిస్తారా?
Homework. I just ask you to take screen share, no?
Sir?
I asked you to take screenshot, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Anyone? Yes, Trishikesh, what happened? Okay, Nana, Trishikesh, please unmute and talk with me. Speak with me.
WhatsApp homework.
Sorry, Nana, I could not get your question. You are saying something. I think there is a network issue.
Sir,
Yes.
నేను మాకు కొంచెం
Okay.
వాట్సాప్ లో పంపిస్తారా?
No, I already sent. Okay, okay. If it is okay, then I will send in the WhatsApp again the work which is I have given today. Right? Don't bother about that. Is there
Okay,
any
sir.
questions
Thank you,
again, please?
Thank you, sir.
If you have any questions regarding the lesson, then I will clear. Geetika, do you have any question? Ask me. Okay. Right? So we'll discuss the new topic in the next session. Till then, take care, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you.